Is it possible that the number of voters deleted in Bihar under the ongoing special intensive revision exercise shifted results for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in the state? An investigation by the Quint reveals that in at least 24 out of 40 parliamentary constituencies in Bihar, the number of voters deleted between the 2024 Lok Sabha elections and publishing of the draft electoral rolls on 1st August is higher than the victory margins for those seats. Now, what does this mean? It means that in these seats, the deleted voters could have been crucial in deciding the results of the election held last year. Of these, 16 seats were won by the JDU, BJP, HAM and LJP combined, 5 were won by the Congress and RJD, 2 by CPI-MLL and 1 by an independent candidate. Let's understand this with the help of an example. In Sheohar, 1,09,723 voters have been removed between 2024 Lok Sabha elections and 1st August when the SIR roll was published. The victory margin for JDU in this seat was only 29,143 votes. We also compared this with the same time period between the 2019 Lok Sabha polls and 2020 Bihar Assembly polls and found that 69,867 new electors were added to the rolls in this constituency during that period. Seats such as Purvi Champaran, Araria and Sitamarhi also saw an increase in voters during that period. Now, what we need to know is how many of these voters are dead or have migrated, if any of them was found to be a bogus voter, if they're genuine voters left out of the roll, and most importantly, how many of them voted in the previous Lok Sabha election. Can the Election Commission tell us that? Yes, it can. But will it? Unfortunately, it doesn't want to. Replying to an application filed by the Association for Democratic Reforms, the EC in the Supreme Court has said that it is not bound by rules to publish names of those excluded from the rolls or give reasons behind their exclusion. A copy of these names has, however, been given to the political parties, the Commission said. To know more about this story, you can head to our website and read the full report. Now, a small appeal. At the Quint, we've been consistent in our reportage exposing the wrongdoings in India's electoral process. We've carried painstaking investigations, news breaks, and analysis on electoral roll manipulation and issues which concern your right to vote. Some of these stories came much before political parties started talking about this issue. These stories are resource intensive and require weeks and sometimes even months of fieldwork. If you value our coverage, support us by becoming a member. You can do that by scanning the QR code on your screens or going to our website and clicking on Become a Member tab.